Hi guys. So over here we are going to be cutting and stitching. We are going to be stitching a shirt back design. Understand? So right here you can see this fabric right here, and the fabric is actually 20 inches weight. You understand? 20 and a half inches. You understand? The weight is 20 and a half. You understand? So we are going to be putting this one on it. You understand? So we have fold this part. You understand? This one we have fold this part, you understand. We are going to put it on the shirt back, you understand. That design we used to put on the shirt, every shirt back, you understand. So the length is 9 and quarter, you understand, 9 and quarter. So we have fold 1 and quarter, so it will be let's say like it was 11 inches, and we have fold 1 and quarter to make it left 9 and quarter. So we are going to be putting it on it like this. We are going to be putting it on it. The fabric is stretchy, you understand. The fabric is stretchy, that's why we are struggling making it, you understand. That's why we are struggling making it, you understand. So this is how it's going to be looking. This is how it's going to be do. This is how it's going to do, you understand. So guys, this is how it's going to do. We are going to make it look like this. So this part has food inside, this part has food inside, you understand. This part has food inside. So what we are gonna do right now is to add the office pin to it, so that they don't shake, to go to make it look different, you understand. So we are putting the office pin to make it loose, to make it be the way we want it to be, you understand, to be. So we are adding the word office pin, you understand. We are adding the office pin. So we will be putting the office to pin to be on this side too, you understand. So what we are gonna do is to stitch from this part, to stitch from this down part, and to go to the top part like this, and to stitch to this part, you understand, and to come to this part and come the down, and to stitch to the down part, so that we have marked it right here. We have marked it right here, you understand. We are stitching it from the down part, and we go to the top, and to stitch to the top part, and to come the down part, and to go to the down part and stitch it finish, you understand. So let's get it done right now. So without wasting my time, let's get it done right now. Let's get it done right now. We are stitching it, so watch it carefully so that you're able to know how to stitch yours to nice, beautiful. Let's give it a stitch. Let's give that place a stitch. So we are going to come to the top part like this. Let's give the top part to a stitch. So we are going to stitch it to the wall, straight line. Going to stick it to the straight line. We are going to stitch it to a straight line that we have marked. That we have marked. That straight line that we have marked. We are stitching it to that part. And after stitching it this way, we are going to come to the down part. We are going to come to the down. You understand? We are going to come to the down. So we are going to come to the down part and to stitch to the down part end, you understand. To stitch the down part end like this. To stitch to the down part end like this. So guys, we have done stitching this part, you understand. So guys, we have done stitching this part. So we are removing the office pin, you understand. We are removing the office pin. So guys, this is actually how it's going to be looking. So if you open it like this, it's gonna be looking like this, understand. So this down part is stitched, and this is the one that we are going to use to cut the back side, understand. So let's go iron it and to come and continue.